مجھے کھانا پکانا ہے. I am having to cook food. I am having to cook food. تاج محل دیکھنے کے لیے لوگ دور دور سے آتے ہیں. People come from far and wide to see the Taj Mahal. People come from far and wide to see the Taj Mahal. وہ بہت مشکل وقت سے گزر رہا ہے. He is going through a very tough time. He is going through a very tough time. تمہیں وہاں نہیں جانا چاہیے تھا. You should not have gone there. You should not have gone there. میرا اس سے کوئی تعلق نہیں ہے. I have nothing to do with it. I have nothing to do with it. آپ کو یہ بہت پہلے کرنا چاہیے تھا. You should have done it much earlier. You should have done it much earlier. میں ہاتھ دھو کر آیا ہوں. I have washed hands and came. I have washed hands and came. میں نے سوچا کہ آپ نہیں آئیں گے. I thought you would not come. I thought you would not come. میں شاید ہی کبھی وہاں گیا ہوں. I have hardly ever gone there. I have hardly ever gone there. میں شاید ہی کبھی وہاں جاتا تھا. I hardly ever used to go there. I hardly ever used to go there. وہاں جانے کا کوئی فائدہ نہیں. It's no use to go there. It's no use to go there. کیا تم نے وہی کیا جو میں نے تمہیں کرنے کو کہا تھا؟ Did you do what I told you to do? Did you do what I told you to do? میں نے ویسا ہی کیا جیسا مجھے بتایا گیا تھا. I did as I was told. I did as I was told. میں تم سے اکیلے میں بات کرنا چاہتا ہوں. I want to talk to you alone. I want to talk to you alone. اسے دیر ہو گئی تھی اس لیے وہ بہانے بنانے لگی. She was late so she started making excuses. She was late so she started making excuses. Excuses کے معنی ہے بہانے. مجھے یقین تھا کہ آپ نہیں آئیں گے. I was sure that you would not come. I was sure that you would not come. وہ روتی ہوئی یہاں سے چلی گئی. She went from here while crying. She went from here while crying. میں نے اسے کہا کہ ایسا کرو. I told him to do that. I told him to do that. عام طور پر وہاں پہنچنے میں 20 منٹ لگتے ہیں. It normally takes 20 minutes to get there. It normally takes 20 minutes to get there. کیا آپ کو یقین ہے کہ وہ یہاں سے گزرا ہے؟ Are you sure that he has gone through here? Are you sure that he has gone through here?